Hello guys, today we're going to do a program which create a password. We know that password is supposed to be greater than 8 characters, supposed to be capital letters, small letters, numbers from 0 to 9, and special characters like symbols like ampersand, modulus, many symbols. Okay, so let's just go and do it. Okay, the first thing we have to import random. It's a library in Python. Then after that, the characters, we just determine the characters. We're going to put it as a string. So we choose the capital letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's for the capital. Then the small A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Then the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we just choose the special characters like exclamation, at, hashtag, modulus, ampersand. Okay. Then let's just define password, just a variable password equal to an empty string because it's a string. Then let's say we want the password to be 16 characters. Okay, so let's just use the for loop here for I in range of 16. Password plus equal here is just we add characters to the password, to the empty string already we have. So we use random dot choice here, and we give it the argument as character here. Okay, then after that we just print the password. Okay, so let's just go here. See, we do have it here. This is the password being already created for us here. If we run the program again, it just gives us different password. Again, completely different one. That's it.